fANNE-atics, it's Sasha. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you are notified whenever I upload a new video. For today, I'm doing a gorgeous Cleopatra makeup look for Halloween, and this is for any of you who want to be Cleopatra for Halloween. I'm definitely going to be her for one of the events that I'm going to next weekend. I'm super excited. Everything is from Amazon, literally. Let's get started with the makeup look. I'm starting off with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Serum Drops for that hydrated glowy base. Then I'm using my Dior Forever Skin Corrector Concealer to prime my eyelids. This helps the eyeshadow stay flawless all day. Setting that in place with the Prada Translucent Powder. Now for the eyes, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Fall Romance Palette, starting with the shade Ember in my crease, blending it out for that soft, smoky warmth. Then taking the gold shade Fireside right on my lids because Cleopatra and gold are a match made in history. To deepen the look, I'm using crimson in the crease, adding that mysterious drama. Now before finishing the eyes, I'm perfecting my base with the Charlotte Tilbury foundation, one of my favorites. And I'm now going back in with my Dior concealer and locking everything in with Prada powder for that velvety matte finish. And I made sure not to put it on the sides of my face because when blending with bronzer, it's a little bit harder to blend because there's a lot of friction. For the lower lash line, I'm adding a royal pop of color using the blue shade from my Too Faced palette. It is from one of the winter collections. Then from the Nude palette by The Balm, I'm taking the black shade to create a bold winged liner, Cleopatra style. And then after that, I take my Bobbi Brown eyeliner and I put that on my waterline. Now to bring dimension back into the face, I'm using the Makeup by Mario contour stick, warming up my skin and sculpting my nose. I use the contour stick and then I set it with my YSL powder. I then curl my lashes, which is optional, but I personally like to do it because I think it lifts the lashes, and apply my favorite velour individual lashes paired with L'Oreal mascara on the lower lashes for that wide-eyed regal finish. For blush, I'm starting with the Armani Beauty Cheek Tint, blending it seamlessly before layering on my Makeup by Mario powder blush for that perfect shade of pink. Then I finish with my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter highlighter in gold because a queen like Cleopatra deserves to glow. And then I did use my Makeup by Mario highlighter and I put it in my inner corner and under my brow just for a pop. And now on to lips. I'm lining with Makeup Forever Artist Pencil in Wherever Walnut and topping it with my Charlotte Tilbury Lip Oil in Watermelon for the hydrated, luscious finish. Now for the final touch. I twist my hair into a bun and then I tuck it under my wig cap and place the wig on it, making sure that the wig is all over the wig cap and you cannot see the wig cap. It was a struggle. I kind of made it a little bit tighter, which was perfect and fit my head very nicely. I styled it with the gold headband that it came with, and everything is from Amazon once again, along with gold jewelry to complete the look. There were two necklaces that came in a pack, so I put the longer one on first, which is kind of like a snake, and then this one I put right on top, which is a little bit shorter, but I feel like the pair is perfect. Put on some arm jewelry up high on my arms, and then I put that headpiece right on top. I feel like everything was perfect together. And just like that, Cleopatra is reborn. Well, not exactly. At least recreated by me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this Halloween makeup look, and I really like how I paired everything. So I really hope you guys love this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Make sure to follow me on all my social media. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, fANNE-atics! Mwah!